Deletion of an element from an array. Yeah, last classes we have discussed the array operations, traversal, searching and insertion. Today we are discussing about deletion of an element from an array. Deletion means remove an element from the array. When an element is to be deleted from a particular position, there are three steps. First itself we need to copy that element from the position to one variable ELE. After that we need to shift the remaining elements to lower order position, and after that we need to decrement the number of elements by 1. Then we can discuss it with one example. Suppose A is an array with 5 elements. That is, the number of elements is 5. The elements are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Delete 30 from position 2. That is, we need to delete the element from position 2. That is, we need to delete this 30 from this array. Then how to delete means, see here, this is the array. Subscripts are 0 to 4. That is, the first subscript is 0, ending subscript is 4. Then we need to delete the element from position 2. See here, from here we need to delete. For that, we need to shift this element to lower order position. That is, the subsequent elements means this is the position. Then subsequent elements means this 40 and 50. We need to shift this 40 and 50 to one lower order position. That is, first we need to shift this 40 to position 2 and 50 to position 3. Then what happens means, when you are shifting, that 30 will remove from this array. That is, then you will get a resultant array like this: 10, 20, 40 and 50. So before deleting the elements, the number of elements was 5. See now the number of, after deletion, the number of elements becomes 4. That is, number of elements is decrement by 1. Deletion algorithm. Let A be an array with n elements. ELE is the element to be deleted from position POS. Then for the deletion algorithm, 3 steps are there. First step means we need to copy the element from position to one variable ELE. Second step means we need to shift the subsequent element to one lower order position. Third step means we need to decrement the number of elements by 1. Then say the step 1. ELE is equal to A of POS. Means we are copying the element from POS to one variable ELE. Then in step 2, for I is equal to position to n minus 1, A of I is equal to A of I plus 1. That is, we are shifting the subsequent element to one lower order position. That is, say this A of I plus 1 is coming to A of I. After shifting, we need to decrement the number of elements by 1. See, apply deletion algorithm for the following sequence of numbers. Suppose, we can consider the same example. Suppose A is an array with 5 elements: 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Delete element from position 2. For I, first we need to copy the element. That is, we need to copy this 30 to ELE. After that, we need to shift the elements. For that, this for loop, that is, for I is equal to 2 to 4. That is, A of 2 is equal to A of 3. That is, 40 is coming to A of 2. A of 3 is equal to A of 4 means 50 is coming to A of 3. N is equal to, after shifting, we need to decrement the value of number of elements. That is, N is coming to, N becomes 4. And then the resultant array will be 10, 20, 40 and 50. That is, 30 deleted from this array. See the lab program. Write a program to delete an element from an array from a particular position. See, hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. Class deletion. See, the class name is deletion. Here the data members are one array, A of 20, A of 50. Then n is the number of elements. I is a variable for that for loop. Then POS is the, from this position we are deleting the element. ELE is for storing the element from the position. Then 3 member functions are there. get data, remove and display. Here we can't use the name delete because delete is a keyword. So we are using the name remove. After that we are closing the class with one semicolon. Then using the scope resolution, we need to write these three functions. In getData, we need to input all the elements. That is, in getData, we need to input number of elements of the array. That is n. After that, the elements of the array. See, these elements of the array are inputting using one for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. See, in a of I. That is, first we will read a of 0, then a of 1, a of 2, up to a of n minus 1. Like that we can read the number of, we can read the elements of the array. After that, position. Enter the position. These are the inputs of this program. POS. Then next, remove process. In remove process, there are three steps. First, we need to copy the element from position to ELE. After that, we need to shift the elements to lower order position. That is, for I is equal to P, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, A of I is equal to A of I plus 1. Means shifting. This is copying the element from position to ELE. This is for shifting, and after that we need to decrement the number of elements by 1. Then in display process, we need to print the array after deletion. That is, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, C out AI. A of I means we are printing all the elements after deletion. In the main function, first we are creating the object of the class deletion. Here class name is deletion. D1 is the object. So first we are creating the object of the class deletion. Then using that object we can access the functions getData, remove and display. That is D1.getData, D1.remove, D1.display.